Your Holiness, Hillary and I are honored to join with your countless admirers all around the world in wishing you a very happy 90th birthday. Throughout your life, you've been one of our world's greatest voices for peace, for dialogue, for understanding. And through your teaching and your examples, you have inspired millions to follow in your footsteps. In a time when we see the forces of division tearing at the fabric of our common humanity, we need your wisdom more than ever to remind us that what we share is more important than our interesting differences. As you celebrate this special milestone, I want to thank you for your friendship. I remember vividly every encounter we've ever shared, and I treasure them all. And I'm grateful for your enduring efforts to build a better, kinder, more compassionate world. Happy birthday, and many, many more.
Happy 90th birthday to my friend, the Dalai Lama. Your Holiness, the world is a troubled place, and we need your spirit of kindness and compassion and love more than ever. Thank you for the example you set. Here's hoping for many more happy birthdays.
I want to wish a very happy birthday to the youngest 90-year-old I know. My dear friend, His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. It is humbling to realize that you've been a leader on the world stage for longer than I've been alive. You've shown generations what it means to practice compassion and speak up for freedom and dignity. Not bad for someone who describes himself as a simple Buddhist monk. Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Thank you for your friendship, for your example, and for everything you've done for the cause of human rights around the world. Here's to many more.
Hope is the most positive value we can have, or virtue that we can respect. Hope, because anything is possible for hope. And so sometimes people say to me, where is hope anymore? And I think of His Holiness, and I think of his faith that is so strong, and his goodness that he sees in himself and in others. And I say hope is always where it's always been, sitting right there between faith and the goodness of others, faith, hope, and charity, faith, hope, and love. So when we listen to him, we're taken to another place. So the fact that God has blessed him with 90 years, because it's really important for you to know, in the House and in the Senate, support for Tibet is overwhelmingly bipartisan. That's because of the goodness of His Holiness. It's also because of the mobilization that you all bring to tell the story, and also the leadership of our colleagues. So thank you for happy birthday, Your Holiness.
His Holiness inspires millions. His teachings on religious tolerance, nonviolence, and peace building. His advocacy for freedom and dignity of the Tibetan people. His global vision of compassion and human rights. His message is a universal one. And so from here on Capitol Hill, we send our love to His Holiness halfway around the world in India.
On the occasion of his 90th birthday. On this special day, we join millions around the world in celebrating his birthday and honoring his extraordinary life dedicated to peace, compassion, and justice. His unwavering commitment to nonviolence, even in the face of exile and oppression, continues to inspire generations across all borders and beliefs. As the spiritual leader of Tibet, his voice has remained a beacon of hope for those resisting the erasure of culture, faith, and freedom under the weight of authoritarianism and cultural genocide. His courage in standing firm against the Chinese Communist Party repression while calling for dialogue and mutual understanding exemplifies the highest ideals of moral leadership. May his continued presence remind the world that peace is a strength, not a weakness, and that adversarial evil will always perish in the face of peace through strength. Happy birthday.
Congratulations on completing 90 years of life, Your Holiness. You are a living example of courage, peace, wisdom, and compassion. 90 years of living with purpose, grace, and love. Very happy birthday to someone who makes the world brighter, and for sure you have made the world a better place.
As President of the Parliament of Catalonia, one of the oldest nations in Europe, proud of this ancient language and culture, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. We are celebrating your 90th birthday, but also the example of wisdom, spirituality, and commitment to human rights that you embody. In a complex world, your voice in defense of dialogue, respect among people and nations, and the search for non-violent solutions to all conflict is absolutely inspiring. In addition to this, you also represent the conscience of humanity on the most pressing issues it faces, as well as being the voice of national minorities and stateless nations. You have become a symbol of tolerance, resilience, and non-violent struggle from exile for the cause of Tibetan freedom. This has earned you the respect of millions of people around the world. Let me express my gratitude, and may you blessed with good health and a long life.
Holiness leaves a very big mark in human history as a personality who really contributes to compassion, peace, promotion of cooperation among peoples. We have to congratulate His Holiness Dalai Lama and wish him best of health.
From the mountains of Tibet to the world stage, His Holiness has inspired generations through his unwavering commitment to nonviolence, dialogue, and universal responsibility. His message transcends borders and beliefs, reminding us that true strength lies in kindness. In this year of compassion, let us carry forward his legacy, just in word, but in action. Happy 90th, Your Holiness. The world is better because of you.
Am 6. Juli feiert seine Heiligkeit, der 14. Dalai Lama, seinen 90. Geburtstag. Er steht seit Jahrzehnten für Dialog, Gewaltfreiheit und den Einsatz für kulturelle und religiöse Identität, auch unter schwierigen Bedingungen. Als Europaabgeordnete würdige ich seine klare Haltung für Menschenrechte, Eigenverantwortung und Demokratie. Gerade in Zeiten globaler Spannungen ist seine Stimme für friedliche Konfliktlösungen wichtiger denn je. Wir gratulieren herzlich und danken für ein Leben im Dienst, für Freiheit und ein friedliches Miteinander.
It is an honor for me to join the global community in celebrating the 90th birthday of the Dalai Lama. I express today my heartfelt congratulations and deepest respect to the Dalai Lama. I wish him all the best for the 90th birthday.
ダライラマ法王様、90歳のお誕生日、心よりお祝い申し上げます。私たち日本でチベットの方々を応援しているみんなが本当に喜んでいると思います。私たちはチベット人がチベット人として生きていくことができるような世界を作らなければならないと心に固く誓っています。チベットの方々と心を合わせて頑張ってまいります。どうぞお体に気をつけて末永くお元気にお過ごしくださいませ。お誕生日本当におめでとうございます。
Happy 90th birthday. I wish His Holiness a very long life, even though the Dalai Lama says he's a simple monk. He's a role model for many around the world. He made the small but strong Tibetan people known throughout the whole world. The Dalai Lama stands for universal values, human rights and compassion. He's a blessing and a gift to us all. Thank you.
His Holiness changed my life. Because of his teaching, I found the purpose of my life. I started to help people. Even I decided to run for a president. So I pray for a long time of life for His Holiness. And I pray for him and all Tibetans to come back home soon. Happy birthday, His Holiness.
This is a very important day for all of the people in the world who have read or heard your teachings. And happy birthday.
I want to take this opportunity to wish you, Your Holiness, the very happiest of birthdays, your 90th birthday, very shortly, and all the wishes from the support of Tibet from all the people in the UK comes from me directly to you. And I hope to come and see you again in Dharamsala very soon. And for sure, I'll be taking your message and your wishes back to the UK to speak in Parliament and to speak strongly for the people of Tibet and for its future as a democratic nation.
Sehr geehrter Herr Dalai Lama, lieber Tsintzin Gyatso, heute ist ein wundervoller Tag, der 90. Geburtstag. Alles, alles Gute, herzlichen Glückwunsch aus dem Europäischen Parlament. Ist es nicht selbstverständlich, 90 zu werden, aber wir aus der Europäischen Union haben ausreichend Gründe, heute uns zu melden und uns herzlich zu bedanken für die inspirierende Art, die friedliche Art des Dalai Lamas zu sehen, wie gut und wie friedlich die Welt zusammenarbeiten könnte, wenn man denn nur wollte. In diesem Sinne, alle besten Grüße aus der Europäischen Union, aus dem Europäischen Parlament von uns. Lassen Sie sich heute gut gehen, feiern Sie schön und in diesem Sinne noch schöne, viele gemeinsame Jahre zusammen.
Je voudrais, notre sainteté, vous souhaiter un très heureux anniversaire. Nous allons célébrer cela au Sénat avec le groupe d'information internationale du Tibet à la rentrée de septembre quand la session va reprendre. Je voudrais vous assurer de notre affection, de notre soutien, de notre amitié. Vous êtes un exemple pour nous tous. Vous êtes un exemple pour la paix et la démocratie dans le monde depuis tant d'années. Ce chemin que vous nous montrez, cette voie du milieu que vous avez apportée, que vous avez écrit, nous y sommes très sensibles et nous vous soutenons quoi qu'il arrive et nous voulons vous remercier du fond du cœur. Et je m'adresse à vous au nom du groupe d'information internationale du Tibet, du Sénat français, parce que vous êtes un exemple pour nous et vous êtes notre petit moteur, notre boussole au quotidien. Alors un très heureux anniversaire. Nous avons eu l'occasion de vous rencontrer il y a 2 ans à Dharamsala. Nous avons passé un moment inoubliable à vos côtés. Nous n'oublierons jamais les mots que vous avez eus à notre égard et les mots que vous adressez chaque jour au monde pour apporter la paix et la démocratie. Merci, Sa Sainteté. Merci infiniment.
Felicito a Nuestra Santidad el Dalai Lama por su 90 aniversario. Deseo larga vida para él y que nos siga compartiendo de su gran sabiduría.
Hi, I am Thomas Hirsch, a member of the Chilean Parliament. And today I want to say my best wishes to His Holiness for his 19th birthday. And I hope those are many, many, many more years because you are an inspiration for me, for us, for everybody in this world. We need you, so happy, happy birthday.
A su santidad el Dalai Lama, un muy feliz cumpleaños. Le deseamos un año lleno de mucha paz, de mucha prosperidad y sobre todo de mucha fuerza para seguir luchando por su pueblo y dar un muy buen ejemplo al mundo entero.
I'm coming from a small country and small region, but you know, it is not important how big or how small or how tall you are. It's very important how big is your heart. So from all our heart, we wish all the best to His Holiness, Mr. Dalai Lama.
En este nuevo aniversario, en este nuevo cumpleaños de su santidad el Dalai Lama, en sus 90 años, quiero mandar un tremendo saludo por lo que él representa. Representa el cultivo de la compasión, representa la paz, representa los valores universales más humanistas, que no dependen solo de una religión en específico, sino que más bien podríamos denominar como la ética secular, ¿no? Una ética humana universal que compartimos todos, religiosos o no religiosos y sin importar la religión. Creo que esos valores humanos que Dalai Lama representa son precisamente los que en estos 90 años tenemos que agradecerle por su compromiso en favor de los derechos humanos, en favor de la democracia y en favor de estos valores universales.
Greetings, it's an honor for me to be able to send these birthday wishes to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on the occasion of his 90th birthday. A very happy birthday on this momentous occasion. I recall our first meeting about 10 years ago when you were so generous with your time with a young Canadian Member of Parliament who at the time knew very little about the Tibetan cause but was interested in knowing and learning and also in hearing your reflections on what Canada can do to advance peace and justice in the world. Those words that you shared with me 10 years ago have had a significant impact on my own thinking and my own work as a parliamentarian trying to advance peace and justice. So thank you for that meeting and for all your important work. A very happy birthday.
Votre sainteté, c'est en direct du merveilleux lac Saint-Jean que je vous offre comme mes vœux de joyeux anniversaire pour votre 90e anniversaire de naissance. Vous serez toujours pour moi un modèle de persévérance, de ténacité pour la défense des peuples opprimés partout sur la planète. Et donc, c'est avec humilité et respect que je vous souhaite un joyeux anniversaire, un joyeux 90e anniversaire de naissance. Et je serai toujours à vos côtés pour me battre aux côtés du peuple tibétain.
Votre sainteté, je suis Yves-François Blanchet, le chef du Bloc québécois. Je n'ai pas encore eu l'honneur de vous rencontrer, mais j'ai celui de vous adresser mes vœux pour un 90e anniversaire. On en veut encore beaucoup des anniversaires pour un personnage aussi inspirant, porteur d'une philosophie aussi inspirante et d'aussi belles valeurs. Une de ces valeurs est que les plus grandes richesses ne sont pas celles qui se calculent. Une autre de ces valeurs, c'est la compassion, c'est la liberté. C'est la compassion devant l'adversité qui nous prive de liberté. Je nous souhaite de vous avoir parmi nous encore longtemps et profitez bien de ce bel événement.
I'm delighted to share heartfelt birthday wishes on the occasion of the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. I had the pleasure, the honor of hosting the Dalai Lama 20 years ago in Ottawa when I was then Minister of Justice and Attorney General. An encounter which proved inspiring for us all. The Dalai Lama is the embodiment of humanity, a spiritual presence wherever he is, a man of peace who inspires us all.
Your Holiness, it is indeed an honor and a pleasure to stand here and express my best wishes for your 90th birthday. Happy birthday, my friend. It is a milestone that many don't reach, and certainly hope that I will follow you on that. Having said that, this is also an opportunity to once again express the thanks of the world through me for all of the incredible great things that you have done for human rights and fundamental principles. I think that you will go down in history as one of the great leaders in that area. I certainly believe that. It's been an honor for me to have known you, to have chatted with you, to have assisted in a number of areas, but it's most important, I have the honor of having you as my friend and the honor of having been associated with the Tibetan community, both here in Canada, but also elsewhere in the world, to continue to promote your teachings of freedoms, fundamental principles of human rights. And these are things that you, my friend, certainly were influential in instilling in me. So therefore, I repeat once again, it is my honor to extend my warmest, best wishes on your 90th birthday. Happy birthday, my friend.
Your Holiness, it is my honor and pleasure to wish you a very happy 90th birthday. You know that you are an inspiration for millions and millions of people, and your messages, your way of life, your example is more important than ever in today's world, where there is so much conflict and polarization and insecurity for the moment. So please stay with us for many more years to spread your message, to be the example that you are, to inspire so many people around the globe. I wish you a long life and all the happiness in the world.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Your Holiness. Happy birthday to you, and many more, as many as you like. Use your magic body to live as long as you feel like it. And then Lama will help you, and we pray for you.
Your Holiness, I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. Thank you for everything that you've done for India, for Tibet, for the continuing practice of Tibetan Buddhism, but also for humanity and for all of us. I know that I owe you a personal debt of great gratitude, but it's more than that. And I'm sure I speak for many people when I say thank you for all this, and long may you continue to be with us and guide us. Thank you.
I think there are 2 points. One, that we should all dedicate ourselves to the type of teaching that to the great truths that the Dalai Lama has been articulating. And second, that we should all join together in wishing him good cheer, long life, the best of health.
His Holiness is turning 90. There are those, of course, who believe that he enjoys eternal life and will now enjoy reincarnation. Whether or not I am among those who believe it, I do believe that this life will end. But I am hoping to live to see him live to be at least 100. He retains his energy and clarity of mind. Physical energy is not something that's lasting. Clarity of mind also gives way to senility. In his case, his clarity of mind continues, and I hope will continue to guide us for as long as I am part of this earth. So that is what I would wish for His Holiness.
Your Holiness, I wish you the most wonderful birthday, and I want to express how deeply grateful I am for all that you give and all that you show the world through your behaviors, through your actions, through your teachings, through your inspiration. I am daily moved by who you are and what you represent. So I wish you a wonderful birthday, a wonderful upcoming years, and thank you for all that you are and all that you give the world.
Your Holiness, from Atlanta, Georgia, and Emory University, I want to wish you a wonderful birthday.
His Holiness Dalai Lama जी को 90th जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई. I hope you are always there in the world. We always need your darshan. We always need your guidance and blessings. Namaskar.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness, our extraordinary brother, our father, our inspiration. Your 90 years are unique on this small planet floating through space. You are so special and dear to us all. Happy birthday, my friend.
Your Holiness, on your 90th birthday, I send you my most earnest and sincere prostrations. I pray to you every morning and visualize you as the living Buddha and my deity to help me nurture wisdom, compassion, and courage. And so it sort of feels strange praying for a Buddha, but as you are in human form, I take the liberty of doing so. May you have a long life, and may we express our deep and sincere gratitude that you are in our midst, and my own deep good fortune to have been born at a time and place that I have had the privilege and blessing of knowing you. May you be happy, may you be free from misery, may you never be separated from your happiness, may you ever have equanimity from hatred and attachment. The irony really is that none of these really apply to you because you embody the ultimate highest human aspiration as a living Buddha. I also express my personal celebration of you and the gratitude of the people of India for being amidst us for so much of your life, even though in some ways, due to tragic reasons of what has been unfolding in Tibet. So we also pray for the success of your many commitments, passions and agendas that must embrace the nurturing and survival of Tibet, its civilizational heritage, and the larger heritage that unites India and Tibet. So with pranams and prostrations, Your Holiness, I pray for you.
Your Holiness, I would like to wish you a very happy 90th birthday and a long life ahead of you. It was such an honor for me to have audience with you just last month, and we are blessed to have you in our country, although of course we would like to see you fulfill your desire to go back to your own country in peace during your lifetime. But as long as you are here, we feel blessed in India and wish you a very happy birthday once again.
And I want to wish our patron, His Holiness, a very, very happy 90th birthday. I hope you have a great day, Your Holiness, and that from all your friends here in Ireland. Happy birthday.
Your Holiness, I'm just a small mosquito, but I just want to ask you to please live as long as you can, to bless us for as many years as you can, to give us your wisdom so that this place we call Earth, the people we call the members of this community of world beings, find some justice and some equality and some peace and move away from non-violence, from killing and hatred. I really wish and hope that you are with us for as many years as you can be.
Your Holiness, please, 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 please live for a very, very, very long time and turn the wheel of Dharma for all of us. We really need you on this earth, in this world. Happy 90th birthday, Your Holiness.
Tungkar Tashidele, Your Holiness. Today I want to say we pray for your long life. It is the most important for Tibetans, for Indians, and the whole world that you live a very long life. And I want to say that you have done your job in the sense that we Indians, Gyagars, academics, professors, young people, everybody will take up your message of Semke and Thongpani, compassion and emptiness, and do our best to spread it in the whole world for the benefit of humanity. You can rest in that knowledge that you took the loss of Tibet and made it a gift for the whole world. So again, I want to say, we wish you a long, long life till 113 and longer as per Palden Lamo, and take good rest and good health and just live long. Tunkar Tashidele.
So I just want to wish His Holiness Fortin Dalai Lama a very long life. I hope he will stay with us for many, many years. He has done so much for India, for the world, and of course for the Tibetan. So my only wish that he lives very, very long time, and that he sees one time Tibet free.
We are so fortunate to be sharing the time of life with His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who is entering 90th year of his illustrious life journey, India-Tibet Friendship Society wishes him very long life so that we could be guided towards a path of goodness and positivity. We are very thankful for his blessings and for his teachings. Thank you.
So, dear, esteemed, venerable Dalai Lamaji, whenever I've been in your presence, I feel the teaching is emanating just in your presence. And I'm very, very grateful to have had this opportunity in this lifetime to have that transmission from you. When I have to search for my own ancestral wisdom and teachings, I go to you. In you, we see that potential of transformation, the potential of what a human being can be is possible. And so thank you so much for that inspiration. And we love you from the depth of our hearts. And we wish you just sustained good health and happiness. Thank you very much.